guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to easily fix an Airblown inflatable. And for the example, this one actually is broken. It is this broken 4-foot Marshall, and the problem with them is I'm going to show you how to fix it. I'm just going to show you what happens. And see, I'm going to plug them in, and then you'll realize what happens. And then I'll show you how to fix it easily. And this video is meant for I'll show you what type of fans. Like those type of fans right there. Like the small ones. And I'm gonna plug them in and show you, because this might happen to you. I'm just gonna prove it to you. Got the plug, and we're gonna plug him in, and he's plugged in. Now let's take a look. And you can see there's nothing happening. So that's where this video will come in. And I know I'm almost 12 years old and I'm too smart for this stuff. Even though he's plugged in, he's not turning on. I'm going to try to fix him. And I think I know what's wrong with him. Remember, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give me a big thumbs up. So for now, we're gonna unplug them. And this video will do really good. And you may not know about this, but when you get an inflatable, it'll come with the plug, but it doesn't have to be this one. Like, this is a 2016 inflatable. That's why the plug looks a little different. And sometimes when you attach these on, this connector, I'll show you for example. I'm gonna unplug them, unattach them, and you'll see, then you'll understand. Because eventually these things that come in that white box evap, which causes the inflatable not to work anymore. So we're gonna unplug the old one. And luckily, if you have spares, that's definitely a good thing. Don't know why he's not working. I'll get him. Don't know why he's stuck. We're gonna fix him, and we'll show you how to do it. Okay, I don't know how this inflatable's stuck in here. Just gonna pause it and fix it. Alright, so I was accidentally doing it the opposite way it should be. So I'm gonna unplug him like this and take him out. And this one might actually be broken. Then it will look like this. So just gonna take the old one out. And I'm going to use a spare. I'm not going to, and you can buy, and you can either use some for like a different holiday inflatable, like this is a Christmas one. But if you have Halloween inflatables, you can use those ones. If it does have a base fan, then this won't be the right video for you. Like, this is an old adapter. We have had this inflatable since for my 7th birthday. Probably why this plug is evaporated. And you can buy extras, like for example Amazon or any store. I don't know which ones. Basic Amazon is the most popular. And I've got a spare that does work. And this one is from my 5-foot jack, and you can see that he does work. And this is the one I don't think it works. And you can see they actually do look a little different. This is more of the newer types, and this is more of the older types. So I'm just gonna show you how to get it in case you get a new inflatable. First, you're gonna line it up with those holes in. You can see those. Just put them in and make sure they line up like that. Then take this thing, spread it out this side, and then what you're gonna do is screw it in. Make sure it's tight. I'm not gonna keep this in because Halloween is closer than Christmas. I'm just doing this for the video to show you if this happens to you, and then we're gonna see if it works. It probably will. I don't know if it's gonna work, but if he doesn't, then he's a broken inflatable. But this should fix it for you guys if it doesn't do it for me. So we're gonna find out. Thumbs up if you think this is gonna work. Gonna plug him in. I'm a little nervous, guys. I'm worried that he's not gonna turn on. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And you can see we fixed it. And for some reason, we fixed it. Well, it was just a broken plug. I told you, these eventually be back. So you can see he's going back on. And we definitely fixed them. Hey, why is it making a weird noise? I don't know why it's making that noise. But at least he works now. There we go. Well, that often will happen with you. Give me a thumbs up if this ever happens with your inflatables. Now, just for fun, I'm going to show you what he looks like. And this is a 4-footer. Looks a little bigger. But I'm happy because we fixed him. Because this thing does not work anymore. And hopefully yours will fix like that too. And that is pretty normal. It happens with a lot of people. And let's take a closer look at him. I'm just gonna spin him to the front. And he's holding a stocking. Now in 2000, no. And here's his stocking. When we got this guy, a couple years later, I actually wanted to turn it into Halloween. Once I snipped this off, and I got in big trouble. So we sewed it back on. And you can see it's pretty dirty. But here's his hat. There's his stocking he's holding. And he looks like a dog, because he is. And I'm going to show you his fan. But hopefully that one doesn't run out. Here's the fan on his butt. I think it's supposed to go like this. I'm going to get a closer look up on him. But at least I fixed the problem. This is what it looks like. And there's one tether right there. Another tether right there. And there's some at the bottom like that. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe as a reward for me. And hit the like button. And also, Marshall, make sure they turn on post notifications. Now I'm going to switch to the older plug, even though that one's broken. But at least you know how to fix it. This happened to our 6-foot Santa, and we actually threw him in the garbage because I didn't know about it then. I should have watched YouTube videos on how to do that before. Well, hope you enjoyed. Subscribe and enjoy the next video. Peace out.